If all you have is a heat press, then you have everything you need to get started with your own t-shirt business. My name is Jared, and I'm here to tell you about an awesome new product that's gonna change your life. Well, it's gonna change your business. I'm talking about the Supacolor Custom Heat Transfers. It is super easy. All you do is you head on over to heatpressnation.com/Supacolor, or if you're already there, you can click on the Custom Transfers tab. You're gonna select the type of transfer. For this video, I'm gonna be using the Supacolor Wearable. You select the type of transfer, you're gonna select the size, and then you're gonna upload your artwork, follow a couple more steps, and place your order. Within a few days, your Supacolor transfers are delivered right to your door, and pressing them could not be easier. Again, all you're gonna need is a heat press. You're gonna set your heat press to 320 degrees Fahrenheit at a nice medium firm pressure. You're gonna heat press it for about 10 seconds, give it a hot peel, and that's it, you're done. Again, all you need is a heat press and your artwork printed by Supacolor. For more information or to order your own Supacolor custom transfers, head on over to heatpressnation.com/Supacolor.